Once again, this is Mansoor. I'm the president and CEO of MB Group of the company. दोस्तों आज की वीडियो में we have once again Farwa next to me and let's see what they say. Farwa, how's the weather right now? How's the weather?
Oh, it's very nice.
Very nice. You feel cold?
No.
How's the view, Farwa? Look at you see so far. Right now is a lake and lake and lake. How you're feeling, baby? Great. Okay. So, can you say about my audience something about when you see the good weather, good view? What you have a thought? Can you tell to my viewers? Huh? Tell the viewers that how you feel. That you feel relaxed. You want to stay. You want to jump on the water. That's how you're feeling it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, Farwa wants to jump in the water. So, do you know how to swim, baby?
Kinda.
Huh?
Kinda.
Kind of. Oh, she knows it. Kind of. Farwa. So, Farwa, I will ask the three questions to you, right? And that's my video, purpose of the video also. And you have to give the answer. Okay? You like more mama or baba?
Mama.
Mama, can you put the hand down? Okay. So she like mama. Okay. So next question is why you like mama more? But in the one video you say you like baba. You changed now. Huh?
It's Mother's Day. I have to let my
Oh
mom
my God, she changed only for today for Mother Day. Otherwise, you like Baba.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. The second question I have to throw you out: that which food you like more for? Halim. Oh my God, she's a white lady. She is eating Halim. Okay, that's good. So having Halim is my favorite too. It means you are my daughter. That's good. My third question is: what is your favorite time to be where you want to spend a favorite time of your that you feel relaxed? Farwa,
I'm sorry. Repeat that.
can you tell me which is the best place to spend the time
Anywhere with friends.
anywhere with the family? Okay, so Farwa giving a political answers, but all three answers has been captured. So I say let my camera will show the whole view of the ocean so people will know it. And once again, thank you. This is Mansoor. Taxi.